So first thing first, let's start with my earnings. So as you can see here, this is my typical Fiverr account dashboard here is actually, and I make 16,348 and 89 cents in the last 12 months in Fiverr, and I have withdrawn over $15,000 to my bank account is actually, and I personally make, as you can see here, is $756 and 87 cents from Fiverr, which is absolutely fantastic. And I'm going to show you that how I exactly make this. Hey, what's going on everybody, welcome back another video. So in this video I'm just going to show you that how I exactly make $756 in the last 7 days from Fiverr, and I'll share with you my each and every secret step by step in this video, that how I get clients, how I convince my client to order my services, and how exactly I found my client for my service. So this video could be so amazing, so make sure you subscribe, give a thumbs up, and also like this video, and also share this video with your friends and family. Alright, so without any further ado, let's jump into this. So first thing first, you need a Fiverr account. Now how can you get a Fiverr account? I have a link for you in the description, so you can check out this link. Just click and open Fiverr, and then you just simply register with your email and everything. So once you're done, then you have to just design a gig. Now which gig you can want to sell. So there's a lot of service that you can actually sell in a Fiverr account, but I personally have a few categories that I actually make sales to Fiverr account. So let me show you that which service are selling so crazy in my Fiverr account. So basically logo design and website design and a lot of other design related works has a huge sale in Fiverr. And also you can, if you are good at marketing, then you can give website design, some digital marketing, some SEO related works, and a lot of other marketing related works that works pretty good. But for me, I actually SEO and marketing related services are works pretty good. So as you can see here, this is my Fiverr. The amount I earn is $756. Is actually I make with SEO related services, and it works pretty great for me. So once you're done with the Fiverr account creation, now it's time to design your gig. So how can you just design your gig? So without a good gig image, you cannot have any sale, because a very attractive image can attract more buyer and it can drive more sales to your gig. So you have to remember in your mind that you need to create a very good gig image. How can I create this? So I simply create it with the Canva. If you don't know what is Canva, I have a link for you. You can definitely check out my description. So once you open Canva, you can see here, this is the Canva itself. So I have designed my past thumbnail with this Canva, as you can see here. So if you want to design some your Fiverr image or gig image, then you can simply just register for Canva, and then you have to just come to this Canva here, and you have to just search for a catalog, or just like let's create a custom design. So let's create a white for a 1080 and no, just 920 and then 1080. So once you're done with the design, I'm not good at design, I'm not going to show you design to this video because it will make some time here. So actually you can see here we have a lot of template here. So you simply just take any kind of template here, and you can just customize with your need for different kind of, as you can see here, this is the we are hiring, and this is the hiring process. So once you're done with the gig image design, then come to the main part. So I'm just going to show you that how exactly I find client. So I found my client from Facebook group. So as you can see here, this is the Facebook group itself. So you can see this is the, so first let's come with this first example here. So as you can see here, this is the group that name I need logo designer. So this is really effective group that has a 100,000 more than 100,000 active member here is actually. And if you just scroll a little bit, you can see here one guy just already posted that I need a professional logo designer, send me your portfolio via WhatsApp. So you can just scroll a little bit, and you can see here this one guy just sent his profile is already, he just sent his gig already. So if I simply click here to this gig, you can see this is a Fiverr gig, and here you can see I will do beautiful logo, watercolor, other handmade style for your business. And this is really something amazing, because you can see here this gig is making some big money, and they have just like 1,927, almost 2,000 of the order with the single gig, and they have 11 orders in this queue, and their minimum service is $50. That means they are just starting money is $50, and you can see their standard package cost $125 and their premium package cost is $357, which is absolutely fantastic. This is a really sweet money that you can make. And here you can see, if you just simply search here that I need, simply search here that I need. So once you search here, you will find a lot of potential client here. So as you can see here, I need a graphic designer for logo designer, please come to inbox. You can simply just message this guy and says and send your portfolio, send your Fiverr account, send your gig, and just asking that, hey, I can do your work, I have very good skill, and I can do your work accordingly, so you can deal with this. So personally I get client from this. So let's go to the another example here. So as you can see here, this is the another example that are related to the I need web design. This group has 11,000 member, and this is really fantastic group work. So if you just something like, if you want to give some web design or web development related services, then this group is for you. By the way, you can, if you simply search, let me show you that with a real example here. So if you search here for a group like I need website, let's say developer, and you will find a huge amount of group here. Is actually, you can see web developer, and this group has almost 100,000, more than 100,000 of the member here. And this is the real chance for you to find some potential client, and you can find a lot of client from this single group. By the way, if you just go to this second example in my video here, as actually you can see I need a designer, and let's say you are just giving website designing services actually, and you didn't find any kind of client to your Fiverr account. By the way, I need to mention one thing, that let's say you create a gig in your Fiverr and you just publish your gig, and then you just sit down to your Fiverr account and just sit for like a 1, 2, 3 week, and you didn't find any client, because Fiverr is sometimes not going to show your gig to the related buyer, because they have a lot of gig, and their algorithm is not going to show your gig as a recommendation, because if you are a new seller, it typically not show your gig to the recommendation. In such a case, you have to just find a client from other place. This is what I did for my service, and I personally find huge client from Facebook group. By the way, it's not only Facebook group, you can find different kind of and different type of client from Discord, Skype group, and lot of other Facebook. Even you can create a YouTube channel, and you can starting to create a YouTube video related to your service, so they can go through your website, and they can just they can go through your oops. And if I have, you can create a website channel, you can create a YouTube channel also, and you can create a website also. Then you just create all of the video related to your services, and then you can all of the potential buyer to just move to your website, and then you can say that you can order from my website with a very cheap price, even from Fiverr. So this is the strategy that you can grow up your business other side from the Fiverr. But for Fiverr, I personally get client from different kind of places like Discord, Skype, Facebook, and a lot of other social media places. So as you can see here, this is the group about the web designer, and if you just scroll a little bit in the first place, you can see looking for experienced web designer. That means this is the potential place that you can give the service. You can simply just send this message to this client is actually, and ask for, hey, I can do your work as I said before, and you can just actually grab this potential client for your services. That's all for this video. I can say nothing much, because this is the process that actually worked for me, and I just share it for you. And you can actually earn this amount of money in every portion, because this is really potential place to grab your client. So I think this video is really helpful for you. So if you like, please thumbs up this video, subscribe my channel, and wait for the next amazing video that I want to getting ready for you. And also, if you have any question, you can ask in the comment, or you can visit our website. I'll see you in the next one.